Okay, so you've just ordered your vinyl pumpkin monogram decal, and I'm just going to show you how it comes and how you apply it to your pumpkin. So you'll get your letter here, or letters, and then you'll get some polka dots here. And I can just take my scissors and cut around my letter in a circular motion. Okay, so here's my letter, and I'm just gonna put it right here on my pumpkin. You're gonna wanna rub the vinyl, and then go ahead and you'll take these two apart. Okay, you're just gonna separate them like this, and I'm gonna peel slowly and carefully, making sure all the vinyl is on the tape and not on the backing paper anymore. Okay, now I've got my letter on my tape, and I'm just gonna find a good spot on my pumpkin that I want to go place it right in the middle. And since the pumpkin's not completely flat, it's okay. You mostly just want the vinyl to be flat, and it doesn't matter if the tape is flat. And you're just gonna place it on like this. If you need to, sometimes it kind of helps to cut this so it can bend a little, since your pumpkin is round. And we're just gonna rub this on like so. Okay, now that I've got it placed on, I'm just gonna give it a good once over, really pressing down with a firm pressure, rubbing it very well. Okay, then I'm just gonna start on one edge and start peeling this transfer tape off. And when I'm peeling, I will hold this part down, and instead of pulling it straight out like this, I'm going to pull it straight down like this. And just slowly and carefully, see how right here this is wanting to stick up. I'm just going to hold it down with my finger like that. I'm going to go for this piece now. See how this isn't wanting to stick? I'm just going to hold it with my finger like that. Right here, just hold it down. See this part? I want to make sure that that gets on there. And I'm just going to smooth this out. You may have a little crease in your vinyl, but it won't show once you put it on. And I'm just going to go ahead and smooth this part out as well. It's a little trickier because a pumpkin is not a flat surface, and it's not perfectly round either, but it sure looks cute. So there's my letter M. Then all I have to do is I can either take my polka dots this way and take them off the tape and peel them off like this and just put them on like stickers, or I can individually cut them out. rub it on, peel this tape off like this, and then stick the tape on, and then put it on just like this. So you can do either way, and then you'll just go around and place the polka dots all around your pumpkin. You'll probably end up having a few extra, unless you have a really big pumpkin, but you can use them for another project or just throw them away. So that's how you would put a decal on your pumpkin.